Hey guys, Eric here with Project DIY, just out here walking through my woods. You know, growing up, did any of y'all ever have a treehouse, or you wanted a treehouse but you never had one? I'm gonna show you guys what we got going on. This is pretty sweet. I'm not even gonna lie. If you're a kid or an adult, it doesn't really matter. Now there's the treehouse for you. It kind of grew. It was only supposed to be just the main part here, and then my mind kept turning and I wound up putting a deck all the way around it. Let's go up here and check it out. Had some extra windows left over when I redid the house, so I put them in. Doesn't really need it, but just got rid of them and added a little extra flair. Got a handrail all the way around it. I know the stairs are a little overkill. It did strengthen them up, but I had those from a extra. Actually, let me say this too. All this here, I've only got about $200-300 in this whole thing, and this was when lumber was sky high. But somebody had put a deck in Facebook, and my wife's like, "You want it?" And she was just being kind of joking, and I was like, "Yeah, actually I do." So I went and got it. This here's a door that I got from an old neighbor. All this framing and stuff, the stuff that I already had. So here's your inside. Put some metal roof on it, nice and dry. Here's your 3 windows. I'm eventually gonna paint in here too, because as you can see, it's not a treated, but that was free, so I couldn't complain. I figured we'll paint it, and if we have to take it off eventually, then I'll take it off. Not a big deal. Here's your walk all the way around it. It's about 3 foot wide, I think, 32 inches, something like that, and you can walk all the way around this bad boy. Something else I put in here that's pretty cool. I wish I would have done it another way with these 2x4s. So I made it too where all this handrail will come down. It'll lay down, just like that. Now you can't lay this side and the front down, because when you do, as you can see, this here has to lay down, and when this here folds, it's going to lay on it. It sits cattywampus. But I have it where both sides can lay down, or the front can lay down by itself. Now the back ones, I made them stationary. I actually nailed them in. These posts are not on, they're not on a hinge, okay? So you can see I just nailed them straight in. Got them level, put them in. They're nice and sturdy. I got some, there's one reason I put those on a swivel, because I have some plans for this down the road. I don't know when it's going to be. It's going to be pretty sweet, I'm not even going to lie. But I put them on because I have some future plans for this. So guys, stay tuned. If you would, subscribe to the channel. Give us some likes. Hit that notification bell. That way, anytime I put new videos on, you guys see them right away. You can comment. And please do, leave comments. Shoot me an email if you got questions or why I did what I did. All right, getting ready to put the floor joist in here. I'm putting them in by myself. There's only 3 of them I got to put in. So I'm gonna show you just a quick trick if you're doing it by yourself. That way you can try to hold both ends of it up and you can get it in there. So here's where my X is, my line. That's where my board's gonna be going. So I just took a little board and nailed it to the bottom here. But underneath, just shot 1 nail. That way I can set my board up on there. I can hold the other end of it. I can shoot it while it's sitting here, and I'll come back and go from there. So that way, you know, I'm not putting in that many. Be quick and easy, and I don't have to have somebody come over and help me just to hold a board 3 times. So if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Alright guys, well I hope you liked this video. If you would, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, give us some likes, leave some comments below. If you got any questions about it or just comments of, hey, you like it, you didn't like it. I mean, hey, that's fine, cool, everybody's got their own opinion. So if you would, subscribe to the channel. Remember guys, as always, why hire a guy when you can DIY? Thanks for watching.